Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. आज की वीडियो is intended to resolve many of your confusions regarding IIM Jammu and Bodh कि अगर तुम्हारा वहाँ हो जाता है तो क्या जाना चाहिए? See, there are a lot of doubt questions and skepticism surrounding these two IIMs because they are still very nascent, especially if we compare them to other IPM providing IIMs जिनके करिकुलम, प्लेसमेंट्स और बाकी चीजें और इंफॉर्मेशन हमें अवेलेबल है. So the question that students face is, are IIM J and BG worth it? So let's see a few factors on which we can analyze whether they are good enough colleges or not. Firstly, let's talk about the fee structure. Ab Bodh Gayana is a little secretive regarding this. It only releases it to the students who confirm their admission over there. But we do have IIM Jammu ka fee structure. It is approximately 5.6 lakh in first and second year and 5.7 lakh for the third year. This includes your tuition fees and other academic and non-academic expenses. So BBA will cost you around 16.8 lakhs. Now for fourth and fifth year, it will be equal to the prevailing MBA fees at that time. अब एक बार curriculum भी देख लेते हैं. So now there are a lot of similarities course को लेकर. दोनों जगह पर BBA is conducted in semester system, whereas MBA is conducted in your usual trimester system. जम्मू के केस में there are certain advantages. जैसे कि first year के end में वो तुम्हें लद्दाख लेके जाएंगे on a boot camp sort of a thing. It'll be like 3 or 4 day का trip and you don't have to pay anything additional. पता है मेरा सबसे बड़ा regret of withdrawing my admission from Jammu was कि यार फ्री में लद्दाख जाने को नहीं मिलेगा. But nonetheless, IIM Ranchi has compensated very well. Anyways, back to the topic. Second year के end पे, the students are encouraged to take up a social or corporate internship. And similarly, at the end of third year, they're encouraged to participate in international exchange program. Both के में थोड़ा सा similar है. At the end of second year, students are supposed to take up rural and social immersion internship. अब वो क्या है वो तुम्हें कॉलेज में जाके पता ही चल जाएगा यार. Both Care also provides an exit option after 3 years, after the third year of your BBA basically. But it's a little different in the case of Jammu. They have designed their exit policy very smartly. And as a result, you can get an exit option after first year, second year and third year. तो basically तुम्हें जब मन करे तुम तब जा सकते हो, provided तुमने अपना academic year पूरा किया. If you leave the college after first year, you're awarded with certificate in basics of management. If second year, then advanced certificate in management, and if third year, then obviously your BBA degree. This is very similar to the structure that IIM Indore follows. Let's talk about the most important thing now, जो हर बच्चा देखता है कोई भी कॉलेज चूज करने से पहले. That is placement scenario. Since IPM program IIM जम्मू और बोधगया में comparatively काफी लेट शुरू हुआ था, तो इनके जो पहले बैच है IPM का वो 25 या 26 में फाइनल प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए बैठेंगे. But we can contemplate on the basis of their BBA placements and make a calculated guess कि कितना अमाउंट जाने वाला है. For IIM Jammu, the highest CTC could go up to 64 LPA with an average CTC of 16.5 and median CTC to be 15.25 LPA. On the other hand, for IIM BG, the highest CTC could go up to 48.5 lakh with an average CTC of around 15 lakh and median CTC to be 16 lakh. But still the question lingers, is it worth it? I would say absolutely. Because yes, they are baby IIMs, but their velocity of progress, it is unmatchable. They are going to have beautiful campuses and infrastructure. चाहो तो जाके उनका कैंपस टूर देखो. IIM बोधगया ने तो अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही अपने नए कैंपस का इनॉग्रेशन किया है यार, एंड द बिल्डिंग इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. बट अगर तुम्हें सिर्फ पढ़ाई से मतलब है और तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि बिल्डिंग का कौन सा कलर है, तो दोनों कॉलेजेस के मैनुअल में से सेमेस्टर वाइज कोर्सेज देख लो. And if those subjects align with your future goals, then congratulations. Otherwise, भगवान जी से प्रे करो कि तुम्हारा IIM इंदौर, रोहतक या रांची में से किसी में हो जाए. If not, try for CUET if IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya fees is out of range for you. You can prefer a good college in Delhi over IIM Jammu and Bodh Gaya easily if you don't wish to take a loan at this stage. And you can obviously give CAT later after your graduation. If you decide to take a loan for IIM Jammu and Bodh Gaya, please make sure that you are very serious in college so that you can land the best possible job and you're able to easily pay off that loan. At the end, the choice would depend on which colleges you are able to crack. So prepare well for entrance exams so that you have offers from all good colleges and then you are the one who is deciding कि कौन से college जाना है. And mate, everything good is worth working hard for. So good luck.